Gordon was at the new cross. Why should Henry have a new fingers? He grumbled. A ship's good enough for me is
fucking horrible
for him.
He's always just walking around, just
leaving us to do his work and comes saying how happy he feels. It's disgraceful.
Another thing.
And
talks too fucking much.
No respectable engine ever whistles, comes loudly at stations. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Poor Henry didn't feel horny anymore. Never mind, whispered Percy. I'm glad you're fucking stupid. I like your fingers. Goodbye, Henry, called Gordon. We're glad to have you with us again.
Are you sure about that?
Replied. And later, Henry stopped at Edward's station.
Hello,
said Edward. You look
silly and exhausted.
I was pleased to hear your
Fucking ass!
Again.
Stop! You're making me blush,
smiled Henry. Can you hear something? It sounds like Gordon, said Edward. No, that's
Pepe the Frog,
replied. And Gordon never whistled like that.
Actually...
It was Gordon. He came... He didn't look at Henry, and he didn't look at Edward. He screamed straight through the station and disappeared.
Well, what do you know about that?
Isn't that cute? But it's wrong!
And he told Edward what Gordon had said.
About
eating ass.
Meanwhile, Gordon screeched along the line. The noise was awful. At the station, everyone covered their
Testicles.
Sir Topham Hatt covered his
Nutsack! Will you two shut up?
and stopped that noise. Gordon puffed sadly away. He didn't stop whistling until two fitters climbed up and knocked his in place. That night, Gordon slunk into the
back rooms.
He was glad it was empty. It isn't wrong, murmured Henry.
But it's wrong!
Next morning, Henry was enjoying himself enormously.
That's what she said.
Hummed his coaches. Then he saw some assholes on a bridge. Beep, beep.
Hello there.
Oh, he called. The boys didn't wave and take his... They thought it fun to drop
Bombs?
They've broken our... cried the coaches. The passengers weren't hurt, but they were dead. Call the police.
Leave it to Beaver.
And me. What will you do? They asked. Can you keep a secret?
No.
Well then, said the driver, Henry is going to at those
Assholes. Lots of spaghetti.
were waiting at the station just before the bridge. They wanted to see and
Killed
1,000 children before I let this company die.
Henry has plenty of Please keep all windows shut till we've passed the bridge. Henry's as excited as we are, aren't you, old fellow? Henry felt more shit than excited. Soon they could see the bitches, and they all had
Bombs?
Are you ready, Henry? Said the driver. Hard when I tell you. Now!